Morning, Facebook. It's Tyler here at Blueville Nursery. This week we kick off our first sale of the year with bird supplies. So the bird supplies will be 20% off today through Saturday. And to kind of kick that off, we're going to do a little video about bird care since we aren't able to have our seminar on it this year. So when you talk about taking care of birds, they're just like humans or any other living thing, and they need 3 items. They need food, water, and then shelter or protection. So we have a lot of options for all of those to choose from. We have all kinds of bird houses over here for any kind of bird. Somewhere they can kind of take shelter and hide, keep warm. If you have any old trees or logs, if you still have your Christmas tree up and you had a live tree, you can take that down and throw that in your yard, and that'll give them some place to hide and have some sort of protection. Anywhere they can hide from predators is always a good thing. And then water, any type of water source works well, either a bird bath like this, if you just have a bowl that you can put out on your porch or on the table, anywhere with free moving water that they can get into. If you need one, we have bird bath de-icers and water wigglers to help kind of keep that water moving and from freezing up over the winter. And then the most important thing probably would be food. And we have a whole assortment of food options. We have bird seed and we have suet for any kind of birds you need. We have the mixed bird seed, and that's pretty much your catch-all for any type of bird. Anything you have or want to attract will like that. We have the peanut splits, and those are really good for blue jays, chickadees, woodpeckers, sparrows, cardinals. Sunflower chips are another good one for your finches, cardinals, anything that's got a smaller beak will really like those. Your black oil seeds, another catch-all. Cardinals really like that one. Let's see. Safflower seed, cardinals also like. We actually have a mix of that, or used to have a mix. If you just do that half and half, that's a good mix to have for cardinals. We have a couple types of millets. Sparrows really like the millet, and so do doves and blackbirds. Then your thistle is going to be the best thing for your finches. It's a really small seed, and they have a really small beak, so that's a good option for those. And then over here we have all kinds of suet. And suet's just different types of food, and it's pretty much packed in fat that they render down and heat up. And it's a really good source of energy, so during the winter months that's a great option to have for your birds. And there's all kinds of options for all kinds of birds. And for those, you put them in these suet feeders, so they're just like a little box that you'd hang up. This one is actually a combo. There's a place for suet, and then you can put your seed on the inside here. There's actually 2 things of suet on either side. And then as far as feeders for the rest of them, most of the things you want to have a big enough hole that they can get their beak into and somewhere to perch on. If you're doing the thistle seed, or even probably like the safflower, something with a small, very small seed, you'd want to get a tube feeder that's got just that little tiny opening there. Let's see if I can point it out here. So that just little tiny opening so it doesn't all fly out on you. We have some combination ones too that are like half and half. So there's this one half of it has a bigger opening for your bigger seed, and then the other half of it's got the smaller opening for your thistle. I actually have one of these on my balcony. I have the sunflower and safflower on this side, and on this half I have the sunflower chips and the thistle, which is really good for the finches. And if you want to attract the squirrels, we have those as well. We have this, you can put like your peanuts in those, and they can jump up on that and sack on those. Or over this way, we sell corn cobs. You can put those on something like this, combo bird feeder and a squirrel feeder. And we have up here one that you put the corn cob on. It's got like 3 or 4 different spokes, and it spins around and they try and jump up on that and eat that. So, and we have hummingbird and oriole supplies of all kinds. And one fun activity, if you got kids or if you just like to be crafty and want to make your own bird feeder, we usually do this in November for a birdie breakfast. You can take a toilet paper roll or like a paper towel roll and cut it in half, smear that in peanut butter on the outside, and then roll it in birdseed. We usually use the mixed birdseed, but that's a quick way to make a really fun, cheap, inexpensive bird feeder and have a fun little craft at home. So, bird supplies, 20% off through Saturday. If you want some more detailed information, I think you can go into our photo album section on Facebook. And last January, when we did our bird seminar, we posted the slides from that. So that should have some really great detailed information if you want to look at that as well. So, hope to see you soon, Monday through Saturday, 9 to 4. Have a great day.